In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a Planswift file. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up Planswift. Then from here, make sure on the Planswift tab at the top of the page. Then from here, you want to click on that open button. So click on to open. Then from here, and then we can go ahead and open up a job here. Or if you've saved a Planswift file on your computer, what we can do is open up our file explorer and go find that file. So here it is here. So this is a Planswift job. So what I can do is just double click this, and now this is going to open up it inside of Planswift. So saying here, loading Planswift, then it's job location, local, job name. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. There already is a job inside of here, but that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and click on yes. Now it's going to go ahead and open up that file. So give that a few moments to load. Now if I go ahead and go to the home tab, here is that file that I just opened up from my files.